Formula SAE is where student engineering meets high performance. Every year, over 600 universities across 26 countries design, build, and race advanced race cars to see who can become the fastest students in the world. And we are proud to be one of the top 5 teams right here at the University of Auckland Formula SAE team, also known as FSAE47. To get you started, here's everything you need to know about our team and how you can join our project at Auckland.
Since 2004, our team competes in the annual Formula SAE Australasia competition held in Melbourne, Australia. In recent years, we have managed to win the competition overall and then achieve the fastest acceleration time by an Australasian team in all of FSAE history. We are a team of 90 students that design and manufacture our car every year in-house thanks to the support of over 60 sponsors and many supporters that you can see on our cars, our shirts and online.
With the help from these leading brands in industry, our team's 4 engineering subgroups, composites, mechanical, autonomous and electrical, are able to reach the next level, helping every student on our team during the design and manufacture phase all throughout the year, and in doing so, contributing to the next generation of Kiwi engineers.
The mechanical subgroup design and manufacture any of the mechanical systems and parts that are necessary for our vehicle. This includes steering, brakes, gearboxes and more, which require precision equipment and specialist software. We design the parts in CAD with the help of external tools such as FEA, CFD and topology optimization. With access to lathes, mills and CNCs, our team is then able to produce these parts to the highest quality.
In composites at FSAE47, we design and manufacture our monocoque chassis and aerodynamic components. We produce our molds by laying dry fibre carbon onto our CNC machined MDF plugs. We then resin infuse the dry fibre to make our mold, before laminating pre-preg carbon into our mold to make our chassis. Aside from our monocoque chassis, our aerodynamic package consists of many components, such as our front wing, under tray and rear wing. So it's crucial that we use the best materials and tools for the job in order to push our car to the limits and maintain structural integrity.
For 8 years now, we've been driving a fully electric race car. Our electrical team is responsible for developing the powertrain and data acquisition systems. We develop custom inverters, high voltage battery packs, a high performance loom and custom PCBs, all that allow our car to run at peak performance. All of this makes our car fast and efficient. We also implement an array of sensors that help us track and validate the performance of our subsystems at our testing sessions. This not only helps us, but all of the subgroups in developing their components.
At FSAE47, we're dedicating our work to becoming world-class engineers of the future. We make sure that we have the necessary environment, equipment and experience. That's why our team's newest subgroup, Autonomous, is dedicated to creating a completely self-driving car capable of racing in Melbourne. We are constantly researching and developing skills in AI. And as we continue to program our state-of-the-art algorithms, we're solving complex problems while collaborating with other subgroups in the team.
Students that have been part of FSAE47 have gone on to build amazing careers such as engineers at McLaren and Rocket Lab. By working with us, you will join our amazing group of sponsors and supporters that make FSAE47 possible. You can help us develop the future generation of Kiwi engineers and join our project. If you're interested in supporting FSAE47 or want to learn more about the team, come see us at EMEX or flick us an email.